Hi everybody, Sarah Appleyard here. We're approaching Christmas, like it or not. A couple of years ago, I did a video on how to create a SharePoint advent calendar, and it involved creating lots of images and linking them to various things like quizzes for Christmas, special things to do, activities for Christmas. So this year there's been an update to SharePoint, and I'm going to show you how you can use it to create an advent calendar a lot more easily. Let's take a look. As you can see here, we're in edit mode. I'm going to add a new section. Here you can see there's a new flexible section that you can add, and make sure you've got the toolbox setting. And from there, you can see you've got different web parts that you can start adding. And what I'm going to do here is add a background image for the advent calendar. And I've licensed an image here from Adobe Stock, and I'm expanding the image size to the maximum. The next thing I'm going to do is to add some advent calendar doors. Now I've created in Adobe Illustrator, you could use any platform you like for graphics, and I've created a little door. It's got a little dotted line for the kind of effect that you get on an advent calendar window. And what I'm going to do is add in a window and then add in a number for that window as a separate text item. Okay. Now, the trick here is we're going to group these two items, the window and the text. Oh, as you can see here, I'm actually turning that text to white so it pops against the dark background here. What I'm going to do is select both the window image and the text item and group them together. And to do this, you first select the image and then holding down the command key if you're working on a Mac, or the control key if you're working on Windows, and then select the text item and then use a little drop down to say group. And once you've grouped that item, you can then use the duplicate button and start duplicating those windows across the image, willy-nilly, however you want. And then I'm going to go back in and change the numbers on each of the doors to 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, right up to Christmas Eve. I think it's 24, isn't it? Or is it Christmas Day? I can't remember. And then the next thing we're going to do is go back and select window number 1 in this case. Okay. And we're going to select the two items together. You'll know you're in the right mode when you get that longer selection strip across the top, which allows you to edit the selection. And we're going to add a hyperlink. Now, in this case, what we're going to hyperlink to is an information page on how to set up your team's Christmas background. As you can see, I have mine set on earlier, and we all like to have a festive background. So that's going to be what's behind day number 1 for Christmas. So you can put whatever you want behind each day, a competition of sorts, whatever you like. The idea is you're creating something that's going to be catchy to bring people back to your intranet page and help engage people with your intranet. So I hope you find that useful, and I hope you have a great Christmas. Bye.